If you're having any issues regarding Do Not Disturb on your iPhone, here's how to fix it step by step. First, check if Do Not Disturb is enabled properly. And for that, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and tap on Focus. Then, make sure Do Not Disturb is actually turned on. After that, check Allowed Notifications. And for that, go to your Settings app and scroll down, then tap on Focus and go into Do Not Disturb. Then tap on People and Apps to make sure no one or no app is bypassing Do Not Disturb unintentionally. Next, adjust your schedule. Scroll down in the same menu and check if a schedule is set, like Do Not Disturb only turning on at a certain time. And if needed, delete or edit the schedule. After that, turn off Share Across Devices. If you have multiple Apple devices, go back to the Focus menu and turn off Share Across Devices. This prevents Do Not Disturb settings on one device from messing with the other. And finally, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can reset Do Not Disturb functionality. Also, make sure your iOS is up to date. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.